Okay, here's another one that I realized I could probably show you. It's very subtle, it's very hard to tell, but I think it's something that we all need to be aware of and have a good eye for, and that is color casts on baby. So, like, in one, he's jaundiced in this picture, so he's got a lot of yellow in him. And if you'll notice, like right down in here, and then right in here, and down in here, so a lot of shadow area right here, and even down onto the blanket is color cast. And there is a way to fix that. It is super, super easy. And we also can do some liquefying on his little backside area. We can pull out his face a little bit. So there's a lot of little things that we can do to this image to make it look really good. Okay, my typical cuts. I really just need to create a preset for this. That'd be so much easier. Pull up a little bit, but not too much. Go over to our saturation. Put down the oranges just a little bit. That'll help with the jaundice look. I'm going to open this image and we're going to get started. I always do all my liquefying and stuff before I touch their skin. So we're just going to jump right in here and do some liquefying first. So filter, liquefy. Just going to kind of round this out just a little bit. Make his little leg look a little plumper than it was. His face is a little flat. On his head just a bit. So much better. Okay. Flatten that. So what I've learned, just kind of by trial and error, is I create, in order to see those color casts, I create a gradient map. And I do it black and white. And then I go in here at 100% and I take off the color cast, the black one off the baby. It gives you a better idea of exactly what this color cast is. Okay. So now that we've blocked out the blue background, you can kind of see. There's blue here, there's blue here, there's blue here, blue in his knees, blue on his face, blue underneath his chin, just a lot of areas of blue. So we know that those are the areas that we need to work on. So now that you've seen it, I just delete it. And we're going to flatten that. Let's just go ahead and do our typical skin stuff. Sorry if I start to go quickly through these, it tends to get monotonous. I always do the forehead first. That seems to be the one I do the most. Yeah, I had jacked this way up way too much on the last image that we did. I try not to go over like 45. That's about my threshold. Especially if they've got a really deep brow crease in their forehead. That's why I always do it first. And then I do the cheeks next. Because I will turn that down quite a bit. We don't need it as badly. and then usually the rest of the body. And I don't do wrinkles. I don't go inside creases of the skin. I'll go around all of them. I avoid shadows. So I'm just getting general areas and just kind of flushing them out just a little bit. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Deselect. Okay. We really have a lot of stuff that we need to take care of. Leaves and skin. So not a ton of spot removal. Just very, very few. We got lucky with him. Okay. Alright, so if you can see up close, you can see what I'm talking about. All of this blue right here. What's gray? That's all color cast. So let's go through the rest of our action. I do not want to do that. Delete that start point. I don't ever use it. Roll my layer down. Put that on. Pretty. Turn it down. Okay. Flatten that. Let's do where I would be going first. I tend to do things in the same order every time I do an image. Touch right there. Touch right on these. Yep. I notice reds are in the creases and a lot in the shadows. And then, of course, in the feet and the hands. Alright, we are good to go. Check our levels. Levels help with skin tone quite a bit. Just nicely put on the contour blacks a little bit. And give it a little more contrast. That's what the levels does. Levels does more contrast, while curves makes it brighter and darker overall. Okay, now color cast. So I create a blank layer. 25% is what I start off with. And I will go in here and for each area, so like I'm going to do the shoulder area right here, I create a generic area. So I'm pinpointing using eyedropper. Make sure we turn this to color. And basically right over those areas. Do it again. didn't look like we were doing anything, but we were actually getting rid of all that blue. Subtle difference, but it makes a world of difference. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to fix this little issue here. I'll probably create a gradient down here. Oh, you know what I didn't do first? Grab. Perfect. Good. The top. Should be good to go. I think we've done everything we need to do for him. Should be good. This is all we're going to do to this image besides the clarity.